How to search for effects on Instagram. In order to do that, head over right here to this plus icon, and then you can see in here this. So just swipe right here. You can choose post right here. Now you can see also these options right here that you can swipe. So these are what they called filters or effects. So you can head over and see a lot of filters right here. But if you want to search for a particular one, you just need to swipe to the very last option right here, which is this browse effect option, and then click on that. And then you can click on this search icon right here and search for the effect that you want. For example, search in here angel. Now you can see in here some effects that are named angel or are close to angel. So you can head over and then choose which one of them you want to actually use. So from in there, just head over and click on one of them, and then you should be able to see it actually been added on your camera on your Instagram. So that's how you search for effects on Instagram. Hope we helped.